Good morning. The early bird gets the worm. Yes, my day started 4 o'clock in the morning. I know, but guess what? It is over, and it's so nice to be headed home. I'm parked, but it's so nice to be headed home because I am getting ready to relax in the garden, and I wanted to bring you along. I have bee balm that has bloomed. It's the second year bee balm, and I'm so excited to share what it looks like. Ahaha, put everything down. Yes, everything, all the stress from this world, and relax with me in the garden. Come on, see what's blooming. Everyone has a purpose, and your real job in life is to figure out as soon as possible what that is. Who you are, who you're meant to be, and begin to honor your calling in the best way as possible. Knowing who you really are. What do you want? Who are you? We think being known brings us value, that it's truth. All of that will fade in time. The real truth is that service, giving back, is significance. You are worthy. Is that which is lasting. So to be able to, whatever your talents or gifts or your jobs is, it's how you use your talents within your community and the world. Using your knowledge and the information that you have gained in service to the world. How you've handled your encounters throughout the day through challenges. Yes, every one of us have. The last 3 years, we've been through a lot of challenges. And how did we face those challenges? What did we do to prepare and position ourselves to get out of it? Did we help someone along the way? The reason why I started my Blissful Spaces YouTube channel is to share the knowledge and my love of gardening with you. And so not only is it a healing process, and I feel like it's one of my life purposes because gardening is so natural and it's so easy to me, and I just wanted to share it with you. I leave my videos, and in each video I share my creativity, my love, and my purpose, and my light. I pray that each of you have been guided, touched, and inspired, and can feel the love in return. Again, this is my legacy, this is my purpose, and this is my love. Continue to enjoy your gardens and live your purpose. And I pray that this video has inspired, enlightened, encouraged you to live your purpose and to do what you love to do and to share your love with others, to be kind and loving and to live healthy. And someone asked, will I continue to make creative content on YouTube for YouTube? My question is, have you subscribed? you so much for being still and walking around in the garden with me. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I will see you in my next garden video. Blessings. Enjoy. Make sure you subscribe to Blissful Spaces YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video.